Hey there guys, and welcome to another one of my cooking demonstrations. Today we are going to bake some classic delicious jam and cream scones. They are perfect for a tea party and just so easy to rustle up for any celebration. Once we have mastered these deliciously moreish scones, we're going to simply top them with a generous dollop of strawberry jam and some fresh whipped cream. If you are more of a fruity person, you can leave out the jam and cream and just simply add 50 grams of glazed cherries or dried fruit to your scone mixture. So we're going to start by adding the flour in the mixing bowl. We're going to add some softened butter. We're going to rub that with our fingers until we've got a breadcrumb-like texture. So all of the ingredients I used are listed in the description below. Once we've got the mixture looking like this, we're going to go ahead and add in the sugar. We're going to crack in 1 egg, we're going to add in our baking powder and we're going to give that a good mix. The key to light textured scones is a light touch, so careful not to overmix the mixture. And lastly, we're going to add some milk and knead it into a dough. We're going to pour that dough out onto the surface, we're going to lightly dust it with some flour and knead it for another 1 minute. We're going to cut the dough into 6 equal squares, or 12 if you want to make small scones. I'm going to grease the tray with butter before putting my scones on. We're going to put some egg wash on there to make the scones look shiny once cooked. I'm going to bake the scones in this air fryer oven. You can bake them in a normal oven if you want. I've put the details for both settings in the description below. I'm going to set this air fryer at the pizza preset at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. As you can see, they're cooking beautifully in this air fryer oven. The details of this air fryer oven are in the description below. And just in 20 minutes we've got this beautiful golden colour. They're ready to take out and put on a cooling rack. And check that out guys, I love the way these have cooked. We're just going to wait for them to cool and then we're going to add the jam and cream. And we're just going to finish off by dusting them with some icing sugar and we're all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks guys, till next time.